Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this color changing text effect on CapCut PC. So if you just go to text and add in your default text, I'm just going to type in the word pastel, as I just like that word. And I'm also going to add in like just a colored background real quick. Well, you can add any background that you want, of course. Maybe like this yellow one. Okay. Also going to extend this a little bit. So I'm going to just select it, and I'm going to select a color like this one. Then I'm going to add a keyframe here. Then I'm going to the next few frames, and then I'm going to choose a different color. Then I'm going to go to the next few frames, and then I'm going to also choose a different color. And then again, going to choose a different color. Then again, here I'm going to choose another color. This purple isn't pastel. No, you know what? It's fine. I'm then just going to copy and paste it so that I don't have to do that again. I just added keyframes and that's it. Now you have your color changing text effect on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!